Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to record expenses in Zoho Books. So first, you want to open your preferred browser and you want to search for Zoho Books. And once you're here, you're going to click on Access Zoho Books. And once you're here at the homepage, you want to navigate over here at the left sidebar and you want to click on Purchases. Then you're going to click on Expenses. Then you want to click on Record Expense. So over at this page, this is where you can go ahead and record the expense and fill out this necessary information. So first of all, you're going to select the expense account. So you can click on the drop down button and you can go ahead and select which suits the case well. And if your expense account has multiple attributes, then you can click on itemize over here so that you can go ahead and input all of the individual attributes over here. Then after that, you're going to input the amount. So over here, you're going to input the amount over at this tab. Then you're also going to select the currency. Then you can also click on tax inclusive or tax exclusive if the tax is not yet included in this amount. But if it is, then you're going to click on tax inclusive. Then you're going to select the payment option over here. Then over here, tax, if it's still applicable, then you're going to select from the options. Then you're also going to select the vendor's name. Then you're also going to input the reference number as well as the notes depending on your requirements. Then over here, you're also going to input the customer's name. And also do take note that the words that are in red are required fields, but the ones that are in black are not required or they are optional. Then over here at the right side, you can also upload receipts over here by clicking upload your files. So if you click on the drop down button, you'll be able to see all of the options where you can upload your receipts from. So you can attach a receipt from your computer, or you can also attach documents or from cloud. And once you're done with that, you're just going to click on save over here. Under expense will now be recorded, and you'll also be able to see a preview of that expense that you've recorded over at this side. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.